You'll have love at first sight with the 2023 Acura MDX. The MDX is the third-row luxury SUV that's designed to surpass expectations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, navigation system, backup camera, keyless start, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, premium sound system. Don't miss the chance to experience the luxury and performance of the MDX. Call us today to set up a test drive.